Welcome to CIX Software EDU, a learning program by Code Infinitex. At CIX Software EDU, we envision a world where knowledge knows no barriers. We aspire to empower students globally by providing free, accessible, and high-quality technology courses. Our vision is to create a community of learners who are well-equipped with the skills needed to thrive in the ever-evolving landscape of technology. Precision is key to our methodology. We employ a learner-centric approach, delivering courses with a focus on simplicity, clarity, and practical application. We focus on making sure our lessons are simple and easy to understand. As Code Infinitex also provide business services, so unlock the power of information with our diverse range of services. From crafting dynamic websites that speak your business language to delving into the world of business intelligence for strategic insights, we've got you covered. Dive into the realm of data science with Python, where we unravel the mysteries of data to fuel innovation. Need a clear picture of your business's performance? Our data analysis services provide actionable insights, ensuring informed decision-making. Let us be your guide in navigating the exciting landscapes of technology, from website development to the intricate world of data-driven solutions. As we wrap up this introduction, we're thrilled to embark on this educational journey with you. Remember, learning is a collaborative adventure, and we're here to be your guides. For more information, updates, and to explore our business services, connect with us on our social platforms. Your questions, ideas, and feedback are not just welcome, but encouraged. Let's build a community of knowledge seekers together. See you in the next video. Until then, happy exploring.